blow from behind. And you will say, boy, what do you? 5 minutes, you want to do it? Go ahead. And you know good to say this morning I was waiting for Cassie to come out earlier and Cassie never come. You know come on help me out there boy. What's your name?
My name's Tim Blackner.
Alright,
Going to Grenada.
So you'll be in Grenada until 2016. Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah.
You're gonna go home for Christmas every now and then?
Yeah, we get month breaks for Christmas.
So this is actually just the first part of 2 years of 8 years ahead of you.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That'd be amazing if we stay in contact in 2022. You'll be 34.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a long time away.
You'll be pushing 40.
Yeah, probably. So we'll have to make a reunion, huh? 2022? You want to do that?
No, I don't.
I wonder what it will be.
I have no idea.
Alright. You'll have stories from Grenada though by then.
Yeah.
Alright. Keep in touch. Alright.
We found her.
So that's
You guys have documented this already?
So yeah, it took us all day. You got here like 4 a.m. You met me like at 7. Big story, huh? It all worked out there, man.
Yeah. We stole his phone. We texted each other. She was in New Jersey, had to go to New York.
Yeah.
He was going to go to Miami, he was going to go to Grenada, but ended up here somehow.
Okay.
Jason saved us, we texted each other, it was great.
Alright, good. So keep in touch.
Yeah.
Cheers.
What you shall call it now? Tape them and record them.
Oh, okay. So you're looking for a camcorder.
A camcorder.
What's the occasion?
Well, I'm doing some research on some things and I need to collect the data.
Oh, okay. You're making a video or something? Or a documentary?
Not a documentary, but I need to tape them and I need to also visually for them to show me what they're doing. So.
Oh, okay. Got it. Yeah.
Alright.
Well, look around.
Alright, thanks a lot.
Take care.
Thank you.
You got it all sorted?
She asked me, I knew it wouldn't look like alike because she asked me if I missed the part where I did the first.